We now have a special marine
A
warning.
special marine warning for the following inner waters from Point Lugger to San Mateo Point. California, including Santa Catalina and Santa Barbara Islands. The National Weather Service in Oxnard has issued a special marine warning for East Santa Barbara Channel from Point Conception to Point Lugger, California, including Santa Cruz Island, inner waters from Point Lugger to San Mateo Point. California, including Santa Catalina and Anacapa Islands, until 9:15 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 7:50 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from 6 nautical miles east of Point Lugger to 16 nautical miles south of Point Dume, moving northeast at 30 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Point Lugger, Point Dume, and Malibu. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.